Me and Miss Vada are we're in Walmart trying to find our stuff for dinner tonight. And they do kind of have the ones that I like, the spinach or whatever.
What do you think? Taco Bell seasoning or tortilla?
Probably Taco Bell. Yeah, Vada's trying to find that. We're having some stuff tonight. As you see, I did take a picture of the morning for our eggs, and then that's going inside with the tacos too. So we're having tacos tonight.
You want big taco shells or small?
I was looking at the gluten one.
I mean like the soft shell?
This.
Oh. I'm gonna look at the chips.
I think I'll get this. Yep, I want to share this with you. As you see, we had to leave our. I've never seen Cinnamon Toast Crunch. That's kind of different. I'm used to Taco Bell, ranch zesty. We got nacho cheese. I don't know. You got your little sauce up here, the mild. Vada needs her mild, and then her hard shell.
Yep.
Yep.
You like soft shells, I like hard shells.
He likes what?
You like soft shells, I like hard shells.
All right. So we're going to head to another area to find breakfast.
We gotta get your sour cream too.
Got to get my sour cream. You know, they have my favorite drink here too. I can't remember which one, but I think
You like strawberry or no?
I like this one, the tangerine or whatever, and then the orange,
Have you ever tried the blueberry?
the mandarin.
They've got a blueberry.
No, never tried blue. That's water. Miss Vada's looking for breakfast bacon for tomorrow. So she's decided maple bacon. I gotta get eggs. She's getting, is that maple?
A lot of meat, not a lot of fat.
A lot of meat, not a lot of fat. Let's go find them eggs.
Yep.
So now I gotta get the eggs. I think I'm gonna get the small one because it's just me and Miss Vada. She'll do 3 eggs, I do 3. Or maybe something a little bigger. I mean, it might be fine. We have to check the thing to make sure nothing's broke. You know how Grandma and them used to show you back in the day. We'll do that. All right, let's move on. Yep, Vada's looking for those tater chips. Yep. We're like everywhere in Walmart, so.
Right now.
I bought some peanuts, so. Some Ruffies. They said I need them Ruffles. Yeah, we have to find a knife set before we head out of Walmart's. Because
You gotta cut the tomatoes up.
something for the tomatoes. They got some over here. Like that. That's cool. And that's something we would probably have up needing for home eventually. Because we just have just a couple cutting knives, but they have this, or they have that set right here.
Or we could just get that small one.
They said the small knife. Dang. This one?
Yeah, because that's all we need to cut a tomato up.
Yeah. All right. Well, I guess we have everything.
Yep.
We're getting ready to get out of here. See you guys on the other side.